Well, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shonnie Alridge, your favorite real estate broker and appraiser in Atlanta, Georgia. And today I am in Henry County in the city of McDonough in the Union Grove School District, touring a beautiful home in the registry. The builder JR Homes is in their closed out phase. And so this home behind me is absolutely stunning. It's a 6-bedroom, 5.5 bath, 2-story home with a full unfinished basement, 4,081 square feet. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show you how lovely it is on the inside. Let's go inside and see what all the fuss is about. Enjoy the tour. I certainly hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely home. No, it's not a model home, but it is for sale and it's in move-in condition. The builder, JR Homes, is closing out this particular community, the registry, and they're offering incentives for you buyers to do that. And so it's a great time for buyers to purchase in the registry because of the closeout conditions. And so the builder is offering $10,000 of closing cost contribution to you. Yes, to you and your family to move in here. So go ahead and get in contact with me because you don't want to miss this opportunity to be in the Union Grove School District. Yes, I said it. Union Grove. Listen, you want to purchase a home in new construction. You feel brave enough to walk into that community without representation, but I want to implore that you don't do that. Reach out to me, allow me to be your resource and to assist you with your purchase here in Georgia. Do not go at it alone, okay? The builder has their representation and you deserve to have yours as well. And I can't wait to assist you moving here to Georgia. This home is absolutely stunning. As you can see, I am in the kitchen and it is beautiful. It's so spacious. It's so lovely. The granite countertops, the breakfast area over here, and you can look into the living room, which is right in front of me on this side. It's just a really great home for you and your family to move into. So give me a call. Contact me as soon as you can. I will respond. You can call me, text me, email me. It doesn't matter. I'm here for you. Also, find me on Instagram and like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. Share. Get the word out that, hey, here in Georgia, here in McDonough in the Union Grove School District, there are a few more homes left in the registry, okay? I can't wait to work with you and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.